Hello everyone, you're tuned in to A Tia Rich, The Rich Life. Thank you so much for joining me on today. Today will be a simple video on how to make celery juice without a juicer. Let's get started.
First, take out a huge bowl. Next, you will need 4 celery stalks, and I always get mine from HEB. Next, you will need something called a nut bag or a milk bag. I get mine from Amazon and I love it. And you will need some glass containers. I love them. Amazon. Hey, break it down. All the way down. Yeah. And last but not least, a blender. So I take my celery stalks right out the bag. I cut off the tips. And all you have left is the ribs, or you can still call it the stalks. And I cut my celery stalks, the real part, into fourths. But make sure you wash it. So just add it to a strainer, wash, and cut the ribs in fourths and add to the blender. So I'm going to press the 3. You don't add any water. The celery make its own juice. So as I'm blending, I'm looking at the ounces and I'm seeing it's kind of low. So I'm very upset that with this celery stalks, I guess they're kind of skimpy. Please make sure you use thick celery because I was cut short. I normally have 48 ounces and right here it's like 24. So now we're just going to pour the pulp into the nut bag or the milk bag, and we're going to use our muscles. Either use your muscles or buy a juicer. So the way my funds is set up, I'm going to use my muscles, okay? Good job. Good job, Atia. Great job. So we're almost done. And as I said, please pay attention to the stalks you buy. You want to get more juice for your money, so fill the celery stalks. The thicker, the better. So right here, I'm going to fill up my 16-ounce glass. Look how good that looks. Yummy. And then I also have an 8-ounce. And this is like from Buddha Juice. I just reuse the glass, hey. So we're all done. Wasn't that fun? Hey, break it down. So thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you all so much for stopping in to watch my simple celery video without a juicer. And make sure you check out my new makeup look. Just click at the bottom of the screen. I'll see you guys on the next video and be blessed. Mwah.